Building blocks in Google Docs are a quick way to save you time if you're taking meeting notes or want to collaborate on an email, or if you want to create a table to maybe track document reviewers or project progress. There's two ways to add building blocks. The first way is to go up to the top to the Insert menu and then go down to Building Blocks. You'll see your top option there is Meeting Notes. Now, Google Docs is searching your calendar for all your upcoming meetings. You can choose one from the list, and now it's going to automatically populate any of the attendees who were invited to that meeting, and it's going to automatically attach any files that you attached to your meeting invite. And now you're ready to take notes and you're ready to create some action items. The other great thing is it immediately gave you an option to share these meeting notes with any attendees who don't currently have access to this Google Doc. You'll notice the other option over here is this shortcut to email these meeting notes to all the attendees here. So once you're done taking these meeting notes, you can click on that. It's going to create a draft email, and you will still have the option to go through and add or make any changes to that email, but all of that is really going to save you some time. Now, the other way to add building blocks to a Google Doc is to type the @ symbol, and you'll now see you get this same menu up here. And this top part is going to give you some smart chips, so you could insert people, you could insert the date or some drop downs. But below those smart chips, you'll see building blocks. So we just talked about meeting notes, but here you can also do an email draft. Now, once in a while, you might want to collaborate on an email that you're sending out to someone. This gives you the chance to do that in a Google Doc where you type in your usual who it's to, the subject, and then down below you can work on writing your message. What's great about this is once you've collaborated with someone else or a group of people and you have this email all ready to go, you can go over to the mail symbol here. You can click on that. And now again, it's going to open up your email. It will give you a chance to make any changes to the email. And now all you have to do is hit send. So again, it's going to save you some time. Let's go ahead and insert one of these other building blocks here. Now these last four options for building blocks are very similar. They're going to give you a table with some drop downs so that you can keep track of various things. Let's just pick this review tracker here. You might put this at the top of a document that you're working on, and then you can put in different people's names, and as they review a document, their status maybe is going to start right there with not started, but as they go through, they can choose when they're finally done to say approved, but it also gives them a chance to make some notes over here in this section. So just a quick way to insert a table and keep track of where you're at. Hope you enjoy the building blocks feature.